Yiddish is blessed by one very important thing that not all languages today are blessed with, not all disappearing languages are blessed with, and that is that it has a great tradition. It has a written tradition. So languages that have written tradition, I think, have a certain degree of eternity to them, built into them. So the community of speakers could disappear, but the text still exists, and so it's possible to gain access to them by even just gaining a reading knowledge of the language. But beyond that, as you point out, the Yiddish revival suggests that there are communities of speakers that are emerging, that or at least individual speakers, sometimes couples. And the language has some kind of future to it. It's obviously never going to be, I think it's Uriel Weihnacht, Max Weihnach's line that a language is a dialect with an army. So, and as luck would have it, the dialect with an army is Hebrew, Yiddish didn't become the language of a single state. And it's obviously very difficult for language to thrive without state support. I guess the answer to that is that it depends very much upon the university systems. The universities are in crisis mode and continue to shrink. Yiddish is going to be, its future is in jeopardy, I think. If by some miracle universities re-emerged and start growing again, then whole new areas will re-emerge, and probably Yiddish will be among them. And so I think we're all holding our breath to see what happens, whether the world is going to emerge from the crisis that it's in right now.